So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add portfolio on your Fiverr page. So the first thing you want to do is go to fiverr.com. From there you can see Fiverr, the search bar, upgrade to Pro. You can see your notifications, messages, as well as lists, orders, try Fiverr Go, and your profile. Now it's important to click on this profile. You see profile, post a project brief, briefs, and so on. So go to your profile. On here you can see your Fiverr name, you can see your profile. Now through here you can see explore Fiverr, you can see reviews, profile checklist. And to create your portfolio, it's just gonna be on here. So posting a project brief, if it's not popping up on here to create your portfolio, you can post a project brief and then you can generate that brief. So how would you briefly describe your project? So you can toggle it here so you can build your portfolio. Now through the seller page, you can go to the seller portfolio. So you can see here it's going to look something a bit different. And you can see here post a project brief, your briefs, and so on. So if you find it on there and try to set up your seller profile, you can add details, you can see certifications, skills, and expertise. This is all about your portfolio on the seller page once you try and set it up. And to add stuff on here, you can see your profile, so you can edit that as well. It all counts to your portfolio on Fiverr. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Fiverr or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.